I have the Gemini app here, let's launch it. In order to use the Nano Banana AI with Gemini, tap on the small three lines at the top left side and go to New Chat and select your Gemini version from here and change the model to 2.5 plus. This supports the Nano Banana AI. Now to use the image editing feature with Nano Banana, tap on three dots here and select image here, generate with image gen. Now you can either input your own prompt here to generate the image or use your own image by tapping on plus and upload your image here. Go to gallery. Once you've selected a photo from your gallery, we're gonna describe the prompt here. Once you put the prompt, tap on send here and it's gonna wait. And this is our result here. You can tap on this image and then save it. Tap on download and it's been saved to your gallery. There are endless possibilities of prompts that you can enter and give your photo the looks best on your imagination. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.